All right, 3-minute freelance sprint. By the end, you'll have a plan to land your first client. Let's go. Step 1. Pick a tiny offer. Not I do design, but I create one-page landing pages for coaches. I edit 60-second TikToks for realtors. The more specific, the easier it is to sell. Write this. I help who get result with service in time frame. Step 2. Productize it. Define a simple package, scope, timeline, price. Example, 2 edits, 5-day turnaround, $300. Clear beats clever. Step 3. Build a 1-hour portfolio. Make 3 fast samples that match your niche. If you've got no clients, create mock projects. Host on Notion. Post on a simple Google Drive folder. Add quick before, after, or a one-line result. Step 4. Proof and positioning. Grab 1 testimonial ASAP. Do a discounted or free pilot for a real business in exchange for a quote and permission to share. Proof greater than perfection. Step 5. Home base. 1 sentence offer. 3 samples. 1 testimonial. Book a 15-min call link. Use Calendly. Step 6. Outreach sprint. Spend 1 hour a day. Warm. Past colleagues, classmates, friends. Targeted cold. 10 DMs or emails to niche leads. Platforms. Apply to gigs daily. Upwork, Fiverr, Contra. Apply to 3 to 5 high-fit gigs daily. Message template. Hey, name. I help who get result. Noticed specific thing. I made a 1-minute audit for you. Want it? Step 7. The 10-minute discovery call. Ask. Goals, timeline, budget, success metric. Then pitch your package in their words. So, 2 videos a week, 5-day turnaround, $300 per video. Want to start with 2. Step 8. Pricing and payment. Start simple. Fixed price. Starter retainer. Always invoice up front or 50-50 via Stripe. PayPal. Wise. No work without deposit. Step 9. Contracts and scope. Deliverables. Timeline. Revisions. Payment. Cancellation. Keep it friendly but firm. Step 10. Delivery system. Brief. Draft. Feedback. Final. Invoice. Testimonial request. Name files consistently. Show up early. Communicate clearly. Scaling. Once you have 2 happy clients, raise rates 10 to 20%. Productize and upsell. Document everything so you can delegate later. Your next 24 hours, pick a niche. Write your 1-sentence offer. Build 3 samples. Send 10 messages. Book 1 call. You don't need permission, just one permissions. You don't need permissions, satins. Unpernation satin, just uppernation sensaternats jobs. Just momentum. Start today, and future, you will say thanks.